In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Google Doc via email. This can be incredibly useful whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing information with colleagues, or simply need to ensure someone has access to a particular document. Let's dive into it. First things first, open up the Google Doc you wish to share. Take a moment to ensure all your details and data are correctly entered and formatted to your liking. This is important because once the document is shared, any mistakes will be visible to others who view it. With your document ready, navigate to the top right corner of the Google Docs interface. You'll notice a button labeled Share, accompanied by a small lock icon. This icon signifies that your document is currently set to private, meaning it's only accessible to you at the moment. To change this setting, click on Share. A window will pop up showing options under General Access. You'll see that access is currently restricted. What you need to do is click on this setting and change it to Anyone with the link. Doing this will grant access to anyone who possesses the link to your document. Once you've adjusted the access settings to Anyone with the link, you'll see an option to copy the link. Click the button to copy the link to your clipboard. This link is what you'll be sharing via email, so make sure it's copied correctly. Now head over to Gmail to compose your email. Click on Compose to start a new email. Enter the email address of the person or group you'd like to send the document to. In the subject line, you may want to mention that there's a Google Doc included. Something clear and straightforward will work best. In the body of your email, you can either simply paste the link directly, or if you prefer something a bit neater, use the Insert Link option. To do this, type the text you'd like to display. Something like "Click here to view the documents" works well. Then highlight this text, click Insert Link from the toolbar, and paste the copied link into the URL box before clicking Apply. With everything set up, email address, subject, and your link inserted, give your email a final review. Ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, hit Send. Your recipient will now receive your email with a link to the Google Doc, and since you changed the settings to Anyone with the link, they will have no trouble accessing it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully shared your Google Doc via email. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.